Our third dish this week is sautéed spinach in olive oil and yogurt topping. I recommend all my Japanese friends the Mediterranean diet. Turkish cuisine is one of the best kitchen and very healthy kitchen in the world.
We today go to making saute spinach. We use it with yogurt. It's very delicious, very easy we can make. It's very soft is eating. We know what we use it together ingredients in. This is one onion with one piece. This is garlic. We also using yogurt and then spinach. Okay, we now cutting chopped onion. You can, anyway can you cut, no problem is for cutting style. We like cut like this style. Then you must be one more washing. They have inside little bit salt. We must be make nice washing. This some if you have to put down the last one wash. Okay. I'm gonna go to make saute. We first put olive oil like this, like 3/4 spoon. We put in onion. Little onion we make little bit nice brown. If you not water go is like boiling, you must like for the tasting for fry. And there is water finish, we make fry. We put salt. And black pepper. Okay. Now ready, PAPILLON. Ready. Like this. With garlic, with yogurt, like this. you make like this, make dressing. You with yogurt with spinach together. Yogurt. After that, you can put little bit salt. Okay. The spinach with yogurt is now is ready. You can make it to home.
This is also consumed like a warm salad side dish. You can also consume like main dish. I like it as a main dish. I can eat this all day long. But we are the only nation who puts yogurt on everything. We love yogurt, and the word yogurt itself is a Turkish word, and it is universal. We like to put a lot of onion also. You know any Turkish house in any country, by smelling the sautéed onions, you can feel it everywhere. So I can just recognize any Turkish house in Germany, in Moscow, in Tokyo, just by smelling the apartment. I can easily find out. So good. I'm sure you can feel it from the screen. It's very good. And very healthy.